What if I told you that there is one tool that can replace your funnel builder, your CRM, your email system, your calendar app, and as well as your chatbot, all while making you money every single month? And that tool is GoHighLevel. Hey guys, this is Saurabh from simplyautomated.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you what is GoHighLevel, who it is for, and why learning it could be the smartest business move you make this year. So without a further ado, let's jump right in. So GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing, sales, and automation platform that is built for agencies, consultants, course creator, and freelancers. And what GoHighLevel does is it gives you tools to build funnels, to build landing pages, to automate your email, to send SMS follow-ups, to manage pipelines and deals. I'll be covering more about pipelines and deals later on. To book appointments. So from within GoHighLevel, somebody, if they want to book a call with you, they can book an appointment. You can also create membership sites using GoHighLevel. So if you want to start your own community and want to launch a course, you can do everything well within GoHighLevel. And basically you can run the entire client accounts under one dashboard. So whether you are launching a product, you're closing leads, or running automations, GoHighLevel replaces the tech stack which you need to run your business. So now I'll be showing you what all tools GoHighLevel is going to replace. So we have the list of tools here. So in GoHighLevel, they have got all these features built inside it so that you don't need all these different tools. So it has got funnel builder. So you don't need ClickFunnels, lead pages, or Kajabi. It has got the email and SMS marketing built inside it. So you don't need MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and these kind of softwares. Then as I told you about the calendars and scheduling, so you don't need to pay anything extra for Calendly and Acuity. You can also set up the CRMs and the pipelines within GoHighLevel. So you don't need softwares like HubSpot, Pipedrive, Notion. You can also set up chat widgets and Messenger from within HighLevel. So that's going to replace ManyChat and Drift. You can create surveys, you can create forms, for which you need softwares like Google Form, Typeform, and you can also replace softwares like Teachable, Podia, because you can create your own membership area right within GoHighLevel. So these 8+ tools are all confined into one single platform, one login, one dashboard, and it's going to cost you way less than if you go with all these individual tools. So now you may be asking why learning GoHighLevel is a smart move. So whether you're a freelancer looking to offer client services, whether you are an agency tried to managing client chaos, whether you are a coach or a course creator trying to automate your business, or just someone who wants to build a reliable online income stream, GoHighLevel platform is where the market is currently moving. And here is why. It has got the recurring revenue model, which is the SaaS platform which it's offered for agencies. You can also do white labeling services. You can create accounts for your customers, clients inside GoHighLevel. And if you're looking to just provide it as a service to clients, so there is a lot of demand for GoHighLevel experts on Upwork, Fiverr, and within local businesses as well. So GoHighLevel, it is going to automate everything right from client onboarding, the follow-ups, the nurture, the bookings. So the bottom line is, if you know how to use GoHighLevel, you can build and sell systems, not just services. So now let's check out the pricing options for GoHighLevel. So GoHighLevel offers 14-day or 30-day free trial depending on how you sign up. And these are the two main plans what they have. They have got a starter plan which is $97 per month. And with this starter plan, you get all the tools, everything which I told you with the starter plan. And then they also have this unlimited plan for $297 per month. What extra you're going to get in $297 is first the API access. So with that, you can integrate GoHighLevel with anything. You can build custom automations for high level. You can create unlimited sub accounts, as many client accounts as you need for one price. So if you are planning to sell this as a service to clients, you can create unlimited sub accounts within that. If you are an agency owner, you can use this to create accounts for your clients. They've also got a branded desktop app. You can connect custom domains and you have the complete control over the look and feel of the platform. So with this plan, you can fully customize high level, and you can change the domain to your own domain. So if you're tired of switching between 10 different platforms, if you're ready to finally get paid for automating, and if you want to build a real scalable offer, then you are in the right place. So I hope you got some value out of this video. If you got some value, hit the like button, click on subscribe, and drop a comment. I'm in, and let's start this journey together.